Give me a heart trip exclusively. Take one step like this song in my head. It makes sense if you jump in my bed. I see the truth in your smile. I gotta swim to the Isle of You. We don't wanna spend this night alone. Messed up, I'm gonna walk you home. You'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon.
So hey everybody, it's Mickey, and in today's video I have a little bit of organization motivation for you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my best refrigerator organizing tips. So if you are new here, I hope you'll take a minute to subscribe. I put out new videos every week about all things home. A few months back, we had a new refrigerator delivered after waiting months and months. This is the GE Cafe Platinum Glass refrigerator. It matches the oven that we had purchased earlier in the year. The best thing about this refrigerator is that it has a 3-drawer freezer unit, an additional refrigerated drawer, and this unique glass-covered platinum exterior that really reduces fingerprints and makes it so easy to clean. Today I want to show you the ways you can customize any refrigerator for your family and how to keep it clean and organized. The easiest way to customize your refrigerator is to purchase individual bins to contain and sort your groceries. This makes things easier to find and creates categories within your refrigerator so the family can not only find what they're looking for but put it back when they are finished. You can find bins like these in most home stores, and of course you can find them on Amazon. I will leave links to the ones that I use in the description box down below. There are some bins that I think are really essential, one of which is a separate meat tray. This is a safe spot to store the meat after you get home from the grocery store. It will collect any liquid that may drip from the package, and it's easy to remove and clean to keep everything safe and sanitary. We drink a lot of seltzer water in our family, and a bin like this can organizer is a huge space saver for us. It allows us to corral the maximum amount of cans in the smallest amount of space. Another huge space saver is a Lazy Susan. Now I use these in my kitchen and bathroom cabinets as well. This one is a 10-inch piece and it fits perfectly in the refrigerator. It's a great solution to hold condiments or those things that you use all the time. Eggs are one of those things that in my house we never want to be without. I love these acrylic egg crates. I use 2 of them in my refrigerator. They hold just over a dozen eggs each and they come with a lid, so it's really easy to stack them on top of each other. These medium-sized bins are perfect to hold a variety of food within your refrigerator. I use several of them to separate different categories of food items. I have found, at least for us, a large space in the refrigerator usually gets piled up with a bunch of different things. Stuff gets lost in the back and goes bad. So the more I can separate everything into bins, the easier it is to see what I have and to use what I have. When cleaning the inside of your refrigerator, it's important to remember to use something that you know is food safe. So I use the surface spray that I have made for years. It is simply a teaspoon of Dawn dishwashing liquid plus a few teaspoons of rubbing alcohol mixed in a spray container of hot water. This is one of those continuous spray containers that I found on Amazon, and I will leave a link to it down below for you. This spray works really well on all the surfaces on the inside of the refrigerator, especially inside of the drawers. Before I head to the grocery store, I usually like to clean out my produce drawers. I always line them with a couple of clean paper towels, which makes this process so much easier. The drawers also in this refrigerator come out so smoothly. It's easy to clean underneath and behind them. I add fresh paper towels to the bottom and then fill the drawers with produce. An important tip for keeping your refrigerator neat and organized is to try not to overstuff it. We have a small refrigerator freezer down in our basement that we use for overflow items so that this main refrigerator stays nice and tidy. I've also found that when you're stocking your fridge, if you turn all the labels facing forward and leave a little space in between, it gives a more organized appearance. Having this refrigerated drawer has been really awesome. We use it as our deli and cheese drawer, and it's also where we store a lot of our snack items. The drawer comes with its own dividers so that you can adjust it to separate the drawer as you need to. I have added some of my own bins to create even more compartments. When we start having parties again, after COVID is behind us, this drawer will be really great to refrigerate large trays of food. You can even fit a sheet cake in here. My favorite part about this refrigerator by far is the 3-drawer freezer. I was concerned in the beginning that I wasn't going to be able to fit as much as I was able to in our other refrigerator, but I probably can fit double the amount of food in this freezer. The top drawer holds the bulk of our frozen meat. It's always wrapped in tin foil and labeled with what's inside and the date. I also have a large bin in here that holds our smaller packages of vegetables and some frozen dumplings. This second drawer here is our snack drawer. Now, I know right now it looks pretty empty, but this was full of holiday cookies. This was perfect to lay them out, flash freeze them so that I can store them in Ziploc bags. Right now, we just have a little bin here with some popsicles and Klondike bars, and there's also a big box of Godiva chocolates. In the bottom drawer, I was able to use these large white bins that I found at Target to hold the bulk of the frozen food. In the first container, I have a bunch of frozen fruit that I use for baking and smoothies, and it also holds the last of my crock pot freezer meals, so I will be doing another video very soon with more recipes. The second bin holds my frozen soups and chili and some tomato sauce with additional bags of frozen veggies. I love to see how everyone organizes their refrigerators and freezers, and I think it's so awesome when they are not only functional but beautiful. Now, I would say my refrigerator is more on the functional side. It is what works best for our family, and I think the most important thing in any organizing project is to make it useful and comfortable for the people that use it. So now that we are all clean and organized on the inside, it's time to clean the outside. The appliance store where we purchased our oven and refrigerator highly recommend using Simple Green stainless steel cleaner. They said it was the best product to wipe away fingerprints and add a shine to your stainless steel appliances. Now, in the past, I have used Wyman's stainless steel cleaner, which is a really great product, but I have found that I really like Simple Green so much more. It seems to leave a better streak-free shine, and I always use a microfiber cloth along with it. So thank you all so much for watching today. If you have any of your own refrigerator cleaning or organizing tips, please leave them in the comments section down below. I hope that you will join our communities over on Facebook and Instagram at My Bashful Life. And please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you all back as part of our YouTube family. So until I see you in that next video, I hope that you love the life that you have, be kind to each other, stay safe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly. You'd be the sweetest goodbye. Give me a you'd feel the gravity of my heart. If I could, I would give you the moon. Say stop if I'm coming in.